In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Excel's Goal Seek tool to save you a lot of time when doing trial and error. So in this example here, I've got my mortgage payment calculator template that you can download from my site. And how it works is, you enter a house price, a down payment amount, an interest rate, and a term, and it calculates an estimated monthly payment for you. So you might be thinking, okay, I can afford a $2,000 a month payment, and I want to know how expensive of a home I can afford. So one option in this template would be to manually change this amount to higher and higher prices until you get to that $2,000. But an easier way to do that is on the data tab, there's an option for a what if analysis. And if I click on Goal Seek, what Goal Seek is going to allow me to do is to change, it'll automatically change those values for me until it gets to that $2,000. So this set cell, this is the cell of the value that you want to arrive at. So for example, in this case, I want this cell to become $2,000. I don't know how, but the only thing I'm going to do is change this price. So I don't know exactly what value I need to get to, but I say I want to set this cell to 2,000, and I'm only going to be changing this housing price variable. So if I hit OK, what Excel is going to do is go through all those iterations to figure out that 679,500. So it's a much more precise amount than you probably would get to doing trial and error. And so if you want to keep this, you can hit OK. Otherwise, you can hit cancel, and it will revert back to what you had before. And then again, you can go through the same what if analysis if you want to do a different one. So obviously for more complex models where you've got a lot of calculations involved, this could take some time to calculate, to do the what if analysis. But by using Goal Seek, you can definitely save yourself a lot of time, especially when you're working with complex models.